we talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Amazon shipping app. So all you have to do in the first, you just go down here, click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. You click here on settings. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then just click here on notifications. So when you just click on notifications, it's going to take you to this list here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you just scrolling down here until you will find here reminders. You just click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list and you will find here send notifications to my phone. Click in this side. Like you see color it's gone, that means send notifications to my phone disable with us now. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.